So guys, we just got off Thunderbolt, which is right behind us, and it is a super old wooden roller coaster that's here at the park. It's an Ace Landmark coaster, actually. There was no line for it. We literally walked right on. Now, I should mention that this is May 18th.
Yeah.
So, you know, take that with a
season.
grain of salt, right? It's super early, but that is why we came this early. You have to have 2 people to ride this ride. There is no single riding, and they will hold you back until they find another single rider, or you cannot go on.
Yep.
One really cool thing that I love about this coaster is like the momentum of the train drops you right out of the station and down into the ravine.
Yeah, it's built around the environment.
Yeah, which is really, really cool. You know, we're in Pennsylvania, close to Pittsburgh. It's quite hilly here. So they make very good use of the terrain with this ride. So 2 thumbs up. We love it. We rode in the back seat. It was fun.
Yeah.
We did get a couple of airtime pockets.